Does Algorand price goes to few dollars in near future? Algorand, ALGO, does look relatively more resilient than HBR on the recent charts, and it has a realistic, but not guaranteed, shot at multi-dollar prices in a strong 2 to 5 year window, especially with its clearer quantum readiness edge. Chart and relative performance. Weekly, long-term downtrend from the 2021 peaks is intact, with a descending resistance line still overhead. Prices below the major EMAs and the Ichimoku cloud remains mostly bearish. Daily, similar corrective structure, but the recent grind has been less aggressive than some peers. Current price $0.078 versus HBR $0.065. ALGO has held up somewhat better in percentage terms during parts of the 2026 decline and sits at a lower absolute market cap $700. 800M versus bars $2.85, 3V. Both are in multi-month downtrends, but ALGO's smaller size can make percentage moves larger in either direction once sentiment flips. Fundamentals and quantum edge. Algorand's pure proof-of-stake design, instant finality, high theoretical TPS, carbon negative, remains solid for payments, DeFi, and tokenization. The big differentiator right now is quantum preparedness. Algorand just activated version 5.0.0, August 2026, which brings native Falcon 1024 post-quantum accounts into the protocol itself. It already had quantum-resistant state proofs since 2022 and earlier experimental Falcon support. The roadmap targets broader resilience, including multi-sig and further consensus work by end of 2027. This is more advanced than most L1s, including Hedra's still-in-progress signature migration. If quantum concerns grow as a market narrative, ALGO is better positioned to benefit. Can it reach a few dollars in 2 to 5 years, roughly 2028 to 2031? $1 is plausible in a constructive bull market plus solid adoption, tokenization, institutional use, CBDC's pilots. That would require roughly a 13x from current levels and a market cap in the $9 billion range. A few dollars, $2 to $3 plus, is the higher conviction bull case. It would need strong real-world volume growth, continued tech leadership, including quantum narrative, a full crypto expansion cycle, market cap expansion into the $20, 30B plus zone. Analyst ranges for 2028 to 2030 vary widely. Base cases often sit in the $0.20 to $1 area. Optimistic scenarios frequently include $1 to $2 plus. Some higher models go further. Reaching multi-dollar prices is possible, but depends on execution and macro conditions, not automatic. ALGO's lower current valuation and quantum progress give it more torque than larger peers if the narrative catches on. Bottom line. Yes, more resilient relative price action plus superior near-term quantum readiness make ALGO interesting versus HBR for a multi-year horizon. A few dollars is achievable in a favorable cycle, but it remains a speculative outcome that requires the network to convert tech advantages into sustained demand. This is analysis only, not financial advice.